General Carlos, and let the records reflect that no amount of downgrading of a person's reputation can besmirch his records in the military service. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you, Senator Tolentino. With that, at this juncture, since Senator Tolentino has requested that some personalities be invited during the next hearing in an executive session, I will conduct the next hearing during our break. Pwede naman kami mag-hearing during recess. We have a 2-month vacation, and during that 2 months time, that I will still conduct a hearing with regard to this issue at hand. All right, this juncture, I would like to thank all the resource persons who gave their time and spent their time going here in the Senate and giving their inputs with regard to the issue at hand. Senator Tolentino.
Maraming salamat din po sa lahat ng dumalo. At kumain muna kayo.
Yeah. Ano yan, pakain ni Senator Tolentino. Anyway, session is hereby, hearings hereby suspended.